Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, basically we'll discuss about primary key and foreign key. What is primary key and what is foreign key? How we are going to using while preparation of the database structures of tables. Well, let's start the session. See, overview of primary key and foreign key. In pictorial representation, I'm not going to very much depth. Simple terms I'll tell you. You see here, one table it is created artist. The table artist ID, artist name, biography, artist picture. The image of the artist who is going to be artist. And now here the table one ID that is an artist ID is in a primary key which is created here. Means one ID which is the key I am going to creating as a primary key that is unique for all the records which are entering into the database. Means n number of artists may register themselves and every user will have a unique identity. Maybe that artist ID may be email ID or telephone number who is following with the uniquely. And that is I am putting as a primary key. The primary key will have a properties like making as a unique, not null, and a unique identity, and there is no empty. Okay, these are the things will follow that primary key column. And the second one here you will see on the right side genre, that is the ID of the what are the genres are available from that particular artist. Okay, so genre ID, what is the name of the journey? Right here I'm making as a genre ID. That ID is also uniquely. Once the journal is available with that particular author, it won't be again repetitive. If it is repetitive, it means it is not duplicate and it will create one more another ID. So now the recordings, the table which is here available from the artist, the recordings what it is, album I am making, album ID, artist ID, genre ID, year of release, number of tickets, tracks, price, album cover, image, anything you can take it in number of columns, so on. And now what I am doing here, the recordings table is required. Album ID is a unique for this one single album. If the name of the album is available, the same name of the album, another album is not available. It should be, it's a strongly unique. As you've seen that one movie you have seen with the title will not release same name with the same table like a same movie. It may be something will be added. It may be old or new or latest or something. It can be string will be added or year of the movie. Maybe 1947. Some movies were released on 1947. It will be latest released characters. It may be again recasting with the 2020. It can be possible. So similarly, here from the table of artist, the artist ID is here. It is you see on the middle table. The genre ID from the right side table, it is on the third column. These two columns are foreign keys for this recordings table. And this is the artist table. It is a green. It is indicating it's in a primary key. The genre it is in a genre ID. It's in a primary key here. And these two keys are referencing into the recordings. It is here artist ID and genre ID. It's in a red color or orange color. It is showing foreign keys. And the recordings, it is an album ID itself, the self primary key for this particular table. This is how about it is. The foreign key may have a null values. You strongly remember it. This particular table on recordings may have some null values. Okay, whereas primary key will not have. Okay. Say now table keys. Primary key uniquely identified a record in the table. Foreign key is a field that the table is a primary key in another table. Primary key can't accept null values, whereas foreign key can accept multiple null values. Hopefully you get a good idea and understand about this. primary key and foreign key, why we require to use, and wherever the real-time situation will happens to use this primary key and foreign keys, all about this situation and the scenario of this video session. Thank you for watching this session. In our next lecture, how we are going to creating a table, how it is formed. Thank you.